Okay, example 7. 2 cosecant of pi over 4 minus secant of pi over 3 cosine of pi over 6. First thing you want to be careful of here is structure of things. Make sure that you're getting the proper things happening. So 2 is being multiplied by cosecant of pi over 4. So cosecant of pi over 4 equals something. We're going to multiply that times 2. We're then subtracting that from the product of secant pi over 3 and cosine pi over 6. Alright? And again, if we go to our sheet, we have all that information right there for us. So if I go back over my sheet, let's start with cosecant of pi over 4. Here's cosecant pi over 4. So as we go down here, we see that equals the square root of 2. So this blue thing, this part becomes the square root of 2, and that's being multiplied by 2. Then we're subtracting. Then we need the secant of pi over 3. So I find pi over 3. I slide over here until I get to the secant column, and I see that equals 2. It really equals 2. It slid up a little bit. So secant of pi over 3 is equal to 2, and cosine of pi over 6, go back here, find pi over 6, which is right here, go over to the cosine column here, and we see it's the square root of 3 over 2. Right. And the secant and the cosine are being multiplied, so I multiply the values of them. Okay, and again, it does say find the exact value, so I'm leaving square root forms in there. And if I just evaluate everything, I can't make 2 times the square root of 2 any prettier than what it is for right now. This 2 being multiplied by the square root of 3 over 2, the 2's cancel, so I get minus the square root of 3. If these happen to have the same radical, I could add or subtract them at that point. They don't, so I can't go any better than that. 2 times the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 is the best answer for that one.